Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I want to introduce to a tool called Camera Mouse. I think it's a brilliant piece of software that has been built using which people with limited mobility can use laptops or computer just by looking at the computer. You don't have to even move the mouse or type on the keyboard. So what it does is uses your web camera, and based on that it can track your face. You can mark a point on your face, and based on the movement of your face the pointer or the mouse moves. And if you want to click on any object, you can just hover over that object for some time and it will get clicked. So there is a way to double click it, and all the things that you do with a normal mouse you will be able to do it. So this information or the software is available here in this website called Camera Mouse. So Camera Mouse is a free program that enables you to control the mouse pointer on your computer screen just by moving your head. So it is available for free. You can download it from here. So I have already downloaded it. After downloading it, I have tested it. It is working quite well, and it's a light small piece of software, less than 10 MB, that fits in your computer. So I think it's very helpful for people with limited mobility. So now here you can have different kinds of settings. You can have control. You can control the sensitivity of the mouse. You can control the clicking if you want like single click enabled or you want double click enabled. So if it is clicking is able while clicking, do you want the sound to be played? So if you want double clicking, you want right clicking, all those things are available, and you can use that. So this information would help you.
Camera Mouse is a program developed at Boston College that allows you to control the mouse pointer on a Windows computer just by moving your head. Camera Mouse is available for free download at cameramouse.org. Let's demonstrate the use of Camera Mouse. When you start up Camera Mouse, a live feed of the video from your webcam appears in the Camera Mouse window. Select a feature for Camera Mouse to track. Here we are selecting the corner of the left eye. As you move your head up, down, right, left, the mouse pointer follows. You can tell whether the mouse or Camera Mouse is in control by looking in the Camera Mouse window right below the video. Let's open the Camera Mouse settings window. First, we turn on clicking. Clicking in Camera Mouse is done using dwell time. Hold the mouse pointer over a small area on the screen for a second and a left click is issued. Next, we tell Windows we want to open programs with a single click. Finally, we set smoothing to very high, a personal preference. We save these as the default settings so that the next time we run Camera Mouse, these will automatically be the settings. Under Camera Mouse Control, we open the Midas Touch spelling program. Midas Touch is available for free at midastouch.org. We use Camera Mouse to spell out and speak a message.
E L L O Hello.
Camera Mouse is general mouse replacement software and works with any standard Windows program. Finally, it is possible to set Camera Mouse up for totally hands-free operation, so the Camera Mouse automatically selects a place on your head to track, and so the Camera Mouse starts up whenever you turn on the computer. We hope Camera Mouse is useful for you. Thank you.
So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.